So here we go, we move into the strawweight division. We have both semi-finals going on here tonight. The first of two, Bагдат Жубаныш from Kazakhstan, the defending world champion and Asian Open champion, takes on Adam Hamhoev from Russia. Hamhoev defeated Mahbub Khan Mohammed from India. Oh, sorry, he got a bye yesterday as the Indian failed to make weight. And Bагдат defeated Magomed Sheikhov from Bahrain by unanimous decision, 30-27 on all three judges' scorecards. He has looked dominant here last year and once again at the Asian Open in May of this year. So a big task ahead of Adam Hamhoev, but he had a day's rest yesterday. He looks very good. Look how quickly that lead head kick comes up. Let's see when Bагдат will look to close that distance. Look for the takedown. He's got to stay switched on though, this young Russian Adam Hamhoev. Oh, pulls the trigger first. And now we have Bагдат on his back. Oh, and as Bагдат looks to stand up, he goes, that gets a neck grab by Adam Hamhoev. But now they separate. Let's see if Bагдат now looks for that takedown. Oh, look at the combinations, the striking prowess from Adam from Russia. Those kicks come up so quick. Oh, what a response though. Catches that left kick, takes away the rear leg. Strawweights really set a pace here. And we have our second strawweight semi-final coming up straight after this. Which of these two will make it to the final on Saturday? Bагдат looking to defend that gold jersey, keep that gold medal. Ooh, he's taken the back so well. He set one of those hooks. Now he sets the second. As slick as the striking was of Adam Hamhoev from Russia, the ground game of the young Kazakhstan fighter Bагдат, the world champion, the Asian Open champion, trying to avoid those legs. Oh, and Adam Hamhoev gets out. What a pace they're setting. Looking at the clock, I still see there's 20 seconds left. First round, non-stop action between these two strawweights, both looking to impose themselves. Ooh, nice straight right there from Bагдат, sorry. End of round number one. And I'm so impressed there with the striking of Adam Hamhoev, equally as impressed with the ground game. And then from Bагдат, but then the escape from Hamhoev to get it back to his feet. High level stuff between these two. There's some of the arsenal of strikes from Adam from Russia. Nice knee up the middle from the defending champion Bагдат. This was the takedown. Picks him up, looks to take him one way, then switches his weight straight into the back. Works one hook in, and uses these strikes just the way he... Now there's him mount, but Adam Hamhoev not settling for that. Wasn't willing to give up that position, got back to his feet. Round two, set to go underway. There we go, Bагдат Jubbaныsh in the gold from Kazakhstan, Adam Hamhoev from Russia in the red. Oh, turning side kick right into the middle section of the young Russian Adam Hamhoev. And Bагдат showing he has some striking skills of his own. Look how furious this pace is once again. Bагдat catches that left kick, then takes away the base. This time settles in. to the guard, has to be careful though. Hamhouev back to his feet though. It's exhausting just watching these two young strawweights. 115 pounds of furious tenacity between these two. Cardio for days. Oh, a little back fist there, step-in back fist from Bагдат. Now there seems to be a bit more respect between the two. Trying to work open an angle, still trying to figure out exactly the range. Looking for a takedown of his own. Look at the reactions though from Bагдат. And again that back fist, the three-punch combination, finishing with that left back fist. 40 seconds left in round number 2. Oh. Oh, and for me it looks like Adam Hamhoev tiring a little. That mouthpiece just sticking out a little. That shot a long way from the outside, and on the reversal there you have Bагдат. I've had to call a lot of names in the last 4 days. Bагдат with that takedown right at the end of that second round, impressive. Adam Hamhouev back to his stool. As I said, just seemed to be fading just a little bit. The pace is something else in this, but that tell sign of that mouthpiece just sticking out a little. Oh, lovely dig to the midsection. That was early in that round. Bагдат just turning in, burying that foot right into that liver. And there we have, right at the end of the round, Bагдат responding to the takedown attempt of Adam Hamhouev with a little takedown of his own just to put a mark on that round, a little stamp. As we now move into the third and final round here. Placing the finals on Saturday for the strawweight gold medal on the line. Two very impressive young athletes here. Bагдат Jubanish from Kazakhstan, Adam Hamhouev from Russia. Bагдат, the defending world champion, also the Asian champion, Asian Open champion in the gold. Adam Hamhouev in the red. Oh, and again, the pace at the start of the rounds. Big exchanges, quick exchanges. That mouthpiece though sticking out from Adam Hamhouev's mouth. Again, you'd hope at this level it wasn't an ill-fitting mouthpiece. Usually a telltale sign of wanting more air. You've got to be careful you don't get caught while you're having it out like that as well. What we've seen today in the junior finals and what we're seeing now in the semi-finals is that the cream of this talent from all over the world really is rising to the top. These two putting on a highly technical, oh, look at that spinning. Spinning heel kick very much like it, one of his countryman counterparts, Arman Aspinov. Look at some of the highlight reel spinning head kicks that man has got. Ooh, right hand there knocks the mouthpiece out. Bагдат, good sportsmanship. Just under halfway, just over halfway through this third and final round. 1 minute 20 seconds left. This has been fairly even. Just needs one moment to really catch the eyes of the judges, maybe edge this round. Getting that mouthpiece though sticking out. You really hope it's not an ill-fitting mouthpiece. Oh, and again it falls out. There's a sign of fatigue. Referee. Boy, he's got to keep it in his mouth. And that time it fell out without even a strike coming. There's more the movement, the momentum of both chasing each other. Oh, lovely kick to the body by champion Bагдат there. Oh, and now he's following it up. Oh, lovely uppercut. And that mouthpiece sticking out. Moving into the final 10 seconds now. Oh, cartwheel kick there from Bагдат. Oh, front kick sends that mouthpiece flying. What? Oh, lovely duck under. Bагдат really putting a mark. I said it might be one moment, that front kick. Dramatically sending that mouthpiece, which Adam Hamhoев was having problems with all through that second and third round. And here we have a little look back at some of the action. Cartwheel kick, some acrobatics there from the Asian Open champion. And here's the end, boom. Oh, Machida-esque. You saw Randy Couture's tooth go flying when he did it a number of years ago. This time, the mouthpiece of Adam Hamhoев flies into the air. And just by the demeanor, the Kazakhstan fighter, Bагдат Banish, looks like he believes he's done enough. He believes he's earned his place to defend that title on Saturday here in Bahrain. And there we have it, Bагдат Jubanish moves forward, he will defend that, and I was super impressed with that performance. He has been an absolute standout athlete, not just of this tournament, but this whole IMAF year.
Сражайся с другими. Побеждай себя.